How many times have you had difficulty in getting the right parts in at the right time to maintain a safe and productive operation? How much time do you spend looking for spares in your inventory, calling suppliers or manufacturers? What would the impact to your facility be if you could standardize and streamline your MRO inventory? The whole idea behind Tagit was to help facilities streamline their inventory and cut down on their actual SKUs. It's really evolved to something even more than that, with making ordering product much easier, as well as knowing exactly what they're supposed to do replacements with. So before they even go out onto the floor to do the maintenance, they know exactly what they have to bring with them to cut down on their maintenance time, as well as the downtime in their facilities.
We have so many different styles of conveyors and gearboxes, motors. Streamlining reduces the amount that we have to keep on the shelf. We can replace them quicker, not have to carry as heavy of an inventory, which keeps our costs down.
It will help with identifying the units. It will help with minimizing, I would say, discrepancies in employees writing down what it is that they need. So they can scan it now and it gives me the information versus a person may or may not have wrote down the right information. The reason why we started trying to do this is because of manpower. Well, we had to go to the machine, we had to test amperages, we had to test for heat, went to monitoring where you sit behind a computer and you pull up the graphs, charts, and so forth, and it tells you exactly what you would have saw if you went up there physically. Our building is quite large, and for me to walk down there versus me sitting behind a computer at the moment and pushing a few buttons saves tremendous time.
When you guys put the first nodes on, I should say, within the first week we had a motor have problems. Of course, you guys are doing the monitoring right now, and you contacted us and you have a motor that's overheating with a lot of vibration. And so we went and looked at it. Over the weekend we changed that motor out. So that was a very good example of where the nodes will pay for themselves. By the end of the time of getting it up and running, production be back up and running, we could lose anywhere between 5 to 6 hours. The cost per item goes up because we have to use more manpower instead of using the automatic equipment. When you're doing hundreds of thousands of shoes, that could be a large amount of money. So that comes off your bottom line. So knowing a motor is going out early warning, like with this node system, we can plan this. Okay, we got a box, it's getting extremely bad, and during the 5 hours that they're not running at night shift, my night shift guys could change that out and we lose 0 downtime during production hours.
Perceptiv is a combination of hardware, software, and humanware. It's a new way to interact with all of your Regal products. For more information or to find out how Perceptiv could benefit your facility, visit perceptiv.com.